Okay, Ro. So where are we at here? We are at the A-log that upped our... Look at this guy. He's like, I just want some water. That's all I want. And my pack is right froze solid. He can't even get a drink of water. Sorry.
Trade this one in for a KTM300.
But that's a cool bike too. No doubt about it. That thing's got all the bling. That was a monster, a Canadian Championship bike, sponsored by Monster Energy. And the guy was given 3 bikes, and that was the one bike that he didn't choose. Right? He had the choice of 3 bikes, and that was the one he didn't choose, and your mom picked it up cheap. It's a pretty cool bike, dude. Let's see what you can do up and over the log. Rowen Williamson, 12 years old, KX250F, a 230-pound pig of a bike.
It's 230 pounds?
Minimum. With fuel, minimum, 230 pounds. It is heavier than that bike, guaranteed.
Definitely.
You can feel it when you ride them. Okay, so Rowen's just down at the bottom of this trail here, turning around. And we've done a bunch of like constructing because we had this gigantic tree fall across our course that we had to do a bit of constructing, you know, make it a tiny bit easier. It is a giant log and it's up off of the trail, so that's what makes it more difficult. I think that I can maintain speed down this trail and hit this both directions. I don't think Rowen quite can yet, but this is what's a beautiful thing about this scenario is this was our course. So this log fell, so we've incorporated it into the course and we just keep carrying on from there. This is not a deal breaker. This is gonna now, maybe my times will pick up and this is gonna slow it down, whatever. But this is all practice, this is all good practice with good obstacles, and that's how I want to do it. I just, you know, I'm really good at the trail stuff, and so is Rowen, and we need to improve by upping the ante. Here he comes. Here he comes, folks. I put a shovel there for the marker. No, sir, not that time. But you went to the left of the...
You said go left to it!
No, I said go to the right of it. Sorry, bud. You must have heard me wrong. Pick that baby up. This is how it goes. It's okay. That was a redo. He misinterpreted my directions. He went left of the shovel, which is quite a bit harder than right of the shovel. So, whatever. It's a redo. Here he comes. A trail log crossing. Oh!
Did you hear the bike? It was like...
Just stop making excuses. You always...
No,
I don't care. No. It was you. You didn't gear down to first. You came in here hot, trying to be like, I'm hot shit. And then you didn't gear down to first. And you didn't blast off the log. Like, you need to give her gas over the log. So this is not the bike. This is you. You got this. You got this. We're going to pull it around. You're going to do this. So we had a little bit of trouble on that one. But we don't give up. We just grab a hold of all your patience and be like, no, I got this. I own this. I could do this. If I went over it 100 times, guaranteed I could come ripping up here and do it. But it's because it's the first time. So when it's your first time, rip it up to it like you own it. You've done it. You've done stuff like this on the trails 100 times. Just because it's new, don't be scared of it. Do it like it was something you've done 100 times. And that'll be your natural instinct and all of your faculties will come together and it'll pull you through that. So we never give up. We don't give up. We just grab hold of some patience and do our best to overcome our frustrations and continue on. It's about going forward. So he's going to come back here and he's going to do it. I don't like excuses, bike excuses, this and that. I don't like that. That's making excuses, and that's exactly what it is. So we got him. We got him covered. We're going to see what he does here. All right. Dang!
What happened?
Oh, I just slid the front end out on my landing. Hey man! I think I want to go home. It's getting dark. It's getting too dark and I did something to my lever. I think I want to head home. Let's head home. Ah! Woo! That was pretty good.
I should have just seen that wheelie.
I missed it, dude. Something
I
happened.
wheelied all the way from that cul-de-sac, right like.
Whatever, we're gonna have the wheelie video soon.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Coming up next, subscribe and like, because the video of the wheelie championship is going to commence soon.
You're gonna win,
We'll see.
but
You might win. I'm not the best at it, man.
I'm really happy with what I just did.
Yeah, you're doing good. You stand her up more vertical than I do.
Yeah, yours is like right here. Mine's like.
Yeah,
just
yours
a
are
tad
like
bit high.
crazy.
And
Okay. Okay, enough. Awesome. Till next time. Fuck.